In this video, you will learn how to create Amazon affiliate links directly on Amazon's website. There have been some changes, and this is the updated version. Let's just say that you want to create a link for this Samsung product. All you gotta do, once you log into your affiliate account, you will simply go up on top. It says Site Stripe, and it will tell you the commission rate and also the category. What you will do is click on link, and it's going to pop up this window. It's going to show your store ID and the tracking code. However, you cannot add tracking code directly on this tab. You have to log into your Amazon Associate account. Now, if you want to add a custom tracking code, you can simply go into your Amazon Associates dashboard, go to your account right here, and click on Manage Your Tracking IDs. So for this example, we're going to add a new tracking ID. We're going to just say Test, and we're going to hit Create. It's going to pop up a window showing, hey, the code you are trying to use have been used by other people, and it's going to come up with other suggestions. So for this, I'm going to just randomly pick one, and then close it. And now we're going to head back to Amazon. We're going to refresh the page. And for the exact same product, I can click on link, and if I scroll on top, and there is our tracking code. And if I click on link, now it's going to generate our link with the tracking ID embedded. And this is exactly how easy you can create an Amazon affiliate link right on Amazon's website.